investment term of the day. The coefficient of variation. The coefficient of variation is a statistical measure of the dispersion of data points in a data series around the mean. The coefficient of variation represents the ratio of the standard deviation to the mean and is a useful statistic for comparing the degree of variation from one data series to another, even if the means are drastically different from one another. The coefficient of variation shows the extent of variability of data in a sample in relation to the mean of the population. In finance, the coefficient of variation allows investors to determine how much volatility or risk is assumed in comparison to the amount of return expected from investments. Ideally, if the coefficient of variation formula should result in a lower ratio of the standard deviation to mean return, then the better the risk-return trade-off. Note that if the expected return in the denominator is negative or zero, the coefficient of variation could be misleading. The coefficient of variation is helpful when using the risk-reward ratio to select investments. While most often used to analyze dispersion around the mean, quartile, quintile, or decile CVs can also be used to understand variation around the median or 10th percentile. And that was your investment term of the day.